Hey, and welcome back to our AlphaCars YouTube channel. Got a really nice 2016 BMW X1 today to share with you. And right off the bat, I think the first thing that you notice when you look at this car is it's got this style. It's a beautiful color. It's called Mediterranean blue, which I love. I've always loved blue cars. I had my first car was a blue Toyota 1987. But I love these wheels and the contrast. The blue, it's dark enough that it almost looks black at night, but great looking appearance package on the car with the LED driving lights. And this also has a couple of options that you won't find on very many X1s, like the black kidney grills, which just makes it look a lot sportier. And it's got the aluminum look valence up front. Great life left on these Continental tires. All the way around, you probably got about 70% life left or so. Check our website for our mechanics recommendations on or assessments on how much tire life is left on the car. Of course, it's a great value as well. This car was a $44,000 sticker when it was new. Several packages, including the backup camera, cold weather package. Now, all of these small SUVs, they've added some good features in here, like convenience with the power trunk, power opening here. You can see we've got a good amount of space in the back. Now this would be larger than our Q3 in terms of cargo space. More room here. We've got the mats as well, and the removable cargo cover if you want a little bit more space. The seats do fold down. Got the power button here to close that. Nice sporty dual exhaust. And of course, with BMW, you know that you're getting something that's a little bit more responsive, a little bit more powerful. This is a 258 pound-feet of torque turbo 4-cylinder motor, so it is a fun car to drive. And I am going to call it a car because it's a unibody car. You know, it's a little higher than a sedan, but it's not a truck, like a rugged truck. This is a car for driving on the street, and it gets great fuel economy, has a nice interior, comfortable place to spend time, beautiful wood trim, panoramic roof. Seats show zero wear. These look like the day it rolled off the showroom floor. Memory seats along with your power seats. I guess you can't have memory seats without power seats unless you just leave them in the same spot. There's a dad joke. Alright, so let's start it up. Keyless entry, and that is your modern BMW key. Cool looking thing. Looks like a piece of modern architecture in New York. Now we do have two of those. I do like some of the interior design on this car too. The stitching here that goes all the way up the console. Really nice touch for a car that, you know, we're looking at a 23,000 and change 2016 BMW. Why buy new? It's only got 29,000 miles on it right now. It's got the backup camera and some basic driver assistance systems. It's got the cold weather package. So cosmetically and mechanically, this car is in flawless condition. Pop the hood, show you underneath. Now that on these X1s and a lot of the newer BMWs got this little 2X on the hood release. You have to pull once to open it and then pull twice to really release it. There is no latch under the hood. So top tip, if you're looking for a latch under the hood of your new BMW, try the one you already pulled. Super clean under here. Oops, can't have that getting in the shot. Get that leaf out of here. Can't see a whole lot, but it is a 2-liter twin power turbo. Twin power on these BMWs means it's they call it twin scroll turbocharger. It's only one turbo, but it forces a lot more of your exhaust gas in and gives you a lot more power out. So it's and it makes a lot of power at lower boost levels, at lower RPM. So really cool technology, and your driving modes as well. So if you click it into sport mode, you'll get better throttle response, a little better engine sound. Tighter steering control, and I do recommend this car strongly for a driving enthusiast because this 4-cylinder motor is, I think, very underrated from BMW. It comes in the Z4, And the 3 Series, they've even put this motor in the 5 Series, so it can haul a lot of weight, and it can haul a lot of you know what else if you put your foot into it. Now, if you're looking for the opposite and you're looking for fuel economy, we were averaging on a small trip with this car in the mid 30 mile per gallon range on the highway. So capable of fuel economy, performance, comfort, and of course my favorite thing about the car was the look. So if you're interested in this X1 at just about half the price now than it was when it was brand new in 2016, just a few short years ago, in factory new condition, come on and see us over here in Northampton at AlphaCars. You can check us out on the website and all the detailed pictures of this as well at alphacars.com. Or you can give us a call here directly, 585-5085, and of course we are in New Hampshire, the great live free or die state, area code 603. So thanks for checking out our X1. If you got any other questions, give us a call.